Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a glass skin makeup tutorial. So as we may know, glass skin originated in Korea with all those, skin that they are glowing and just completely flawless. And it's just amazing how they truly look. That's what I wanted to achieve for today. Is we're going to be doing a glass skin makeup tutorial. When you say about glass skin, it's more about their skin, like how you take care of the skin. It's more of their skincare. The makeup, it's more like a minimal for them, I think, just like an additive for them, like the makeup. But pretty much what it does is their skin. It has something about their skin. It must be the genes as well. I don't want to do a very long introduction about this. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, I've already cleansed my face prior filming to this video, and I've used this Intense Care 24K Gold Snail Foam Cleanser. This is what I've used, and this is actually from Moly. So the next step what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be using the toner, and this is what I am going to be using. This is Bio X as well. This is from Moly, and this is the Cell Hyaluronic Volume Toner. Has a very nice consistency, by the way, very watery consistency. You know what I like about this toner? It has hyaluronic acid, which is very good for your skin. And one thing more that I like about this toner as well is that it absorbs quickly to your skin. It's like your skin is drinking it. Okay, so I've already applied the toner. As you can tell, it kind of gives me that kind of glow just by that toner itself, which is very nice. I've been using that toner for quite some time now. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be using is this Bio X. It's the same brand. This is a Cell Hyaluronic Volume Emulsion, to add more hydration to the skin. As you can tell earlier, I've already applied the toner. So that's pretty much one of the things too, is that after applying that, you have to apply those. Any moisturizer will do, by the way. Whatever you have, that's already good, as long as you're gonna have to moisturize your face. As you can tell, you can see that glow already, even just by applying that toner itself. Okay, so the next step I'm going to be doing is that I am going to be applying sunscreen. Having to have a sunscreen, it's not as kind of like they don't apply sunscreen like seldom, like just by going to the beach. It's part of their skincare routine. So what I am going to be using is I'm going to be using this NEOGEN. This is a daylight protection sunscreen, so with the SPF 50+. As you can tell already, just by layering those products that I put on, gave me glow. Okay, so the next part I'm going to be doing is I am going to be applying a perfecting cushion. This is, one part that's the very important step as well into having to have that glass skin, because I wanted to cover up some of the redness on my face. As you can tell, I have redness and I have those dark circles. And by the way, guys, this is just for my personal preference. I am going to be applying some kind of concealer because I wanted to cover up some of the dark circles under my eyes. As you can tell, I'm going to be applying a little bit of the corrector under my eyes because you can tell I have those dark circles. Just a tiny bit amount of corrector, just a little bit corrector, and I'm just going to be using fingers to apply it. So now I've already applied the correctors. You can tell the difference. Earlier has those dark circles around the eyes, but now I don't have much, although I guess you can tell still, but at least it made me look like more refreshed and awake. So so the next one I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the Sulwhasoo. This is a Perfecting Cushion. This is in the shade of 25. I have the number 25, and then just going to have to dab a little bit. You can see that glow already. See the difference now on my skin. This is basically a buildable cushion or foundation. Like if you wanted to focus more on the areas that you have redness or any kind of discoloration, this is a buildable product. I don't know the shade as well. I mean, as you can tell on the camera, I don't know if it really truly matches. And this is the closest, I think, the closest shade that I could find for my skin tone. It's buildable. If you wanted to just have the light coverage, then you can just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of a powder. Just apply it on the laugh lines, just around my nose and a little bit over here. Just a little bit on the chin as well. So the next one I'm going to be doing is I am going to be applying some blush just to have some color, and I will be using the NARS. This is NARS Blush in Orgasm. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is to apply some eye makeup, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final one. So I've already completed my eye makeup. I've already finished up everything. So as you can see, it is so nice. Very dewy, you know, plus I have the lighting too. So it actually gives me all that glow. One key point, by the way, of having to have a glass skin is you always have to prepare your skin first. Like doing all the skin care, whatever you have, always to have that toner, moisturizer. If you have the hyaluronic ones, that's a great part of it too. So one important key too is to have that moisturized skin. Preparing your skin before putting any drop of makeup is a key to have a perfect one. So by the way guys, if you're curious about all the products that I've used for this video, for this makeup video, I am going to be putting all the products listed in the description box below. Like I said, this is a great makeup stuff that you can do for your face or any type of occasion if you just wanted to have that glass skin. It's very pretty, guys. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!